What's up, everybody? I'm Money Mike, and back again with another episode of Elevated Crypto, where every day we're scanning the news, we're checking the markets, we're discussing all things crypto, guys. I'm sort of pumped up today. A lot of good news on the horizon. I can't wait to share a couple articles I found with you here. Very exciting stuff, guys. Can't wait to get into all of it today. I'm just big stuff on the horizon. I could feel it. Really, and at the end of the day, guys, that's why I do this, all right? I do this because I believe in it. I start looking into the crypto, and I may be like a lot of you guys. I missed out on the big boom in 17, and I start looking into it more and more, and after, just seeing certain things and reading certain articles and looking into certain projects, it's like, man, that I really feel like this is where we're headed again. And you know what? I'm not going to be that guy that misses it twice. I'm not. Now, that's to say, certain coins will go off, certain coins are going to dump. Absolutely, it will. But we are headed towards mass adoption, and that's what I'm excited about, guys. I'm just excited about the opportunities on the horizon. And if you're here watching this video now, if you're just getting back into crypto now, I know a lot of people looked into it, missed out on the boom, and then sort of got away from it, right? You feel like, I missed out on that, so, whatever, and you move on. But you see more and more people starting to come around, guys, and I really feel like this time it's going to be a bigger boom than what we've seen in 17. So that being said, let's jump right into it. Let's get to it today. I do want to make this quick, not going to tie you guys up, but a couple of big articles here. So let's pop in. We'll just take a quick look at the markets here. Bitcoin 10.7. Sort of been around that all day. I think about an hour or two ago I seen, I think it was 10.9 almost. So very interesting. I think, Bitcoin, like we said yesterday, right, guys, is due for something, a break somehow. Is it a break to the upside, a break to the down? Not quite sure, but I'm feeling like it's going to be a break to the upside. I really do, and I do have an article in here towards the back end of this video, and I'll tell you why. Anyways, let's go down. Ethereum, 364. XRP, 24 cents. Polkadot, 512. Chainlink, 1084. Alright, guys, let's pop into this first article, again, from today. And let me just remind you guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Stuff happens fast in crypto. It really does. So you want to stay informed. Anytime I pop up a video, anytime I go live, you'll get a little notification. Why not? And again, guys, I try to bring you news today. Stuff right from the minute. I'm not trying to recover articles, that have been covered. Again, today here we have September 15th. Big article, guys. U.S. state bank regulators agree to single set of rules for fintech crypto firm licensing. Guys, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. U.S. state bank regulators agree. Boom! They agree to a single set of rules for crypto firm licensing fintech. All right, let's just scroll down, take a little look at this here. It was an article today by Patty Baker. It says bank regulators in 49 U.S. states, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico plan to make compliance for cryptocurrency companies simpler by consolidating supervisory exams. So, what is that? Let's sum that up, guys. And it says here that the Conference of State Bank Supervisors, CSBS, a coordinating body for state regulators, confirmed to Reuters that the new regime for money service businesses, MSB, will introduce the same rules and standards across 48 states. Guys, what are we seeing? Everybody getting in line. In previous videos, we covered Switzerland, Russia, Thailand, people getting in line. This will streamline compliance, making it easy for state-licensed money transmitters like Coinbase to work across multiple states instead of going through the time and expense of getting regulated for each and every state. So they're just going to make it sort of a widespread. So they don't have to worry about what is the regulations of Vermont, what are the regulations of California. Let's just make it easier for everybody. One state will lead a group in representing all 49 regulatory bodies in evaluating each different company. excuse me, guys. And this model will apply to 78 MSBs, including Western Union and PayPal, that together move a reported $1 trillion annually. Wow. Big news, guys. Making plans, getting in line, agreeing to a single set of structure. If this doesn't scream to you that, this is where the U.S. is heading, guys. This is where we're heading. Moving right along here. Next up here, article about a Ripple partner here, D-Local, now valued at $1.2 billion. Ripple partner D-Local is now valued at a staggering $1.2 billion after securing $200 million during its funding round backed by American growth equity firm General Atlantic. This makes the Uruguay-based cross-border payment platform, guys, cross-border payment platform, one of the highest valued VC-funded companies in the Latin American region. Big news, guys, big news. Ripple partner, $1.2 billion. Again, guys, moving on. Here's another article just popped up a few minutes ago, actually, from today. USDC Stablecoin comes to flow as NBA Top Shot nets $2 million. Draper Labs and other developers can add new payment options to its dApps and games with NBA Top Shot up first. So here we go, guys. Big conglomerate like the NBA getting involved in digital money, right? Draper Labs has partnered with Circle to bring USD Coin to flow as a settlement solution. NBA Top Shot will be the first flow dApp to integrate USD Coin. This licensed game has brought in $2 million in revenue since June while in beta. $2 million in revenue since June while in a beta version, guys. Wow. Draper Labs announced today, I hope I'm pronouncing that, Dapper Labs announced today that it's partnered with Circle to enable credit and debit card payments that settle in USD Coin, beginning with the officially licensed NBA Top Shot game. Again, guys, here we are, something else, getting licensed, getting in line, settling with digital money. Again, this is where we're headed. Conglomerate like NBA getting involved in this. Decentralized apps, dApps, and games that run on Flow blockchain will now potentially be opened up to a more mainstream audience that can pay for digital collectibles with more traditional payment options rather than just cryptocurrency. So we're getting to see a wider net cast, a wider net cast of, payment options, everything. USD Coin is a regulated stablecoin that is both backed and kept at a steady 1-to-1 basis with the US dollar. It's used by banks in more than 80 countries with more than 2 billion USDC now in circulation and 115 billion transacted on-chain to date. That blew me away. It's being used by banks in more than 80 countries. USD Coin, stablecoin. Guys, again, it's happening, and it's happening behind the scenes. Happening behind the scenes. Now, remember earlier we were talking about Bitcoin, and we said it's definitely, gearing up for a move to something, whether it be the upside, the down. Well, I came across this article, and this opens up a whole new world for Bitcoin, honestly, in my opinion. Discrete log contracts are bringing private, scriptless, smart contracts to Bitcoin. Guys, smart contracts to Bitcoin. That right there, I think, is going to cause, a break to the upside. Whether that be, I think it's imminent, whether that be the next move, I'm not quite sure. You could maybe see a little retractment and then have it break to the upside. But I really think this opens up a whole new door for Bitcoin. It really does. Opens up a whole new door, a whole new avenue. And you see all these people buying up massive amounts of Bitcoin. Massive amounts of Bitcoin, guys. So really, keep your eye on it. And this is, brings back to everything like I'm saying. I just really think this is where we're headed. You're going to see a bigger boom than you've seen in 17. And it's going to be more massively adopted. Take that for what you will. Now we just got to go hunting for what are the right projects to get on, so when we do mass adopt, we could really make life-changing money here, guys. That's what it's all about, right? I want to quit the 9 to 5. I want to be able to say, you know what, work for, be able to day trade. Look how many people were able to change their life from cryptocurrency. Honestly, it's amazing. Even if you just look at it as a hedge. Okay, I have a 401k, I have some stocks, but just in case that all, goes down or blows up, hedge yourself. Throw a little bit in there. You don't have to throw the house at it. And they always say never invest more than you're willing to lose, because at the end of the day, nobody knows for sure, right, guys? Nobody does. It's all speculation right now. There's, all speculation. Nobody knows at the end of the day right now, but never risk more than you're willing to lose. And by the way, this is not financial advice by any means. I am not a financial advisor by any stretch of the imagination. This is just my opinion, but put the pieces together, guys. See what's going around. Piece it up. I don't want to miss out. Last one of the day here. Seeing this popped up, this blew my mind. Pickle Finance. Pickle Finance, guys. Pickle Finance wants to bring stability to DeFi. Firstly, what is up with these names? Pickle Finance, sushi, hamburger, I think we have, or cheeseburger or something. Crazy, but these are these DeFi coins that just erupt. Pickle Finance, a new project incentivizing liquidity on the 4 largest DeFi stablecoins, saw 53 million in 24-hour volume this weekend, as its native governance token Pickle traded as high as $85. Again, guys, just something to keep your eye on. Another one of these wacky DeFi coins with these, crazy food names pop up, and some of these things just go nuts. Who knows? But something to keep your eye on, guys. If you like the content, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at ElevatedCrypto. Again, guys, hope you like the content. I'll be posting up some more videos later. Hopefully, I'll get another one in tonight. And if not, definitely get at you guys tomorrow. As always, elevate yourself. Elevate the people around you. Have a good night. Peace.